In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion CRM with Google Sheets. This is a great way to streamline your work processes by linking the two platforms, allowing you to keep your data organized and easily accessible. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring that you can follow along comfortably and confidently. First, you're going to want to start by going to your specific Notion page. Open the Notion application or your browser and navigate to the CRM page that you usually work on. This is where you'll make the connection with Google Sheets. If this is your first time using Notion, be sure that you're logged into your account so you have access to the pages you want to integrate. Once you've located the correct Notion page, the next thing you need to do is head over to Google Sheets. In your web browser, navigate to the Google Sheets document that contains the data you want to integrate with Notion. When you have your Google Sheets document open, look towards the top of your browser where the URL is displayed. Click on the URL once to highlight it, then right-click and choose Copy. This copies the link of the sheet to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into Notion. Now we move on to adding this link to your Notion page. Return to the Notion page where you want the Google Sheets data to be embedded. Click in the section of your page where you wish to add the Google Sheet. It can be at the top, bottom, or anywhere that makes sense for your workflow. Then, either right-click and select Paste or press Ctrl+V to paste the Google Sheets URL into the Notion page. After pasting the link, Notion will automatically attempt to embed the Google Sheets document directly onto your page. In some instances, you might want to wait a few seconds for the embedding process to complete. Once it's embedded successfully, you should see a preview of your Google Sheets within your Notion page. This embedding capability makes it easier to reference, view, and even update data directly from Notion without switching back and forth between applications. To improve functionality, make sure that the Google Sheets document is shared and accessible with the proper permissions, typically at least view only. This way the link will be accessible to others who have permission to view and edit your Notion page. And there you have it, a seamless connection between Notion CRM and Google Sheets. This integration is an efficient way to keep your data synchronized and easily accessible across two powerful tools. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.